हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली, आज मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ क्योंकि स्कूल में है एग्जीबिशन और ये है मेरा लुक। अगर आपको ड्रेस अच्छा लग रहा है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिंक करके टाइप कीजिए, मैं आपको इसका लिंक भेज दूँगी। तो चलिए मिलते हैं स्कूल में, बाय बाय।
And why it is happening? Why it is happening? If you remove it, there is no connection here.
Yes.
So what is happening when you put in the water?
The light glows.
Why it glows? Because there is a proper connection. What does it mean? That the water is the conductor. Yes.
Components. Red LED to stop, yellow LED to wait, green LED to go. Working of components resistor. Protect the LEDs. Push button to change the light. Smart control. Smart control device to give power. If we press the push button, the red light will turn on and red means to go. If we again press the push button, the yellow light will turn on. Yellow means to wait. If we press the push button again, the green light will turn on.
Why you are not putting battery over here? Is it working?
It is working.
Yeah. So it is active coral. Yes. Once you push it here, light comes. Yes.
Yes. If we press the push button, the red LED will turn on and red means to stop. If we press the push button again, the yellow LED will turn on and yellow means to wait. If we press the push button again, the green LED will turn on and green means to go. Thank you.
Well, my
Human touch alert system. This project helps us know when someone touches the system. Aim of our project is to detect the human touch and give us alert using the light. Components. These are the components used in our project. Smart controller used to control all the
where is giving the touch if you touch it?
Yes, you can touch it. Sir, you can touch it. If you touch this, the light will be orange. The larger components in the system. Two transistors to switch the circuit on and off. Resistor to control the flow of the current. LED to give light alert. Wires and power supply to connect everything. Working or produce point to model. When someone touches the wire, one electric signal is produced. It is sent to smart control. Smart control processes the signal and helps to on the transistor and LED. When the LED glows, showing that human touch is detected. When the touch is removed, the LED turns off. Closing the human touch alert system is useful for safety and security purposes.
If I put these two, if you don't touch it and put.
Today we are going to present our project for automatic light system using IR. This project helps to turn lights on and off automatically without touching any switch. The aim of the project is to save electricity by switching on the light only when needed. Components. These are the components in the project. Smart controller. It used to control all the components in the system. IR sensor. It detects different types of a person. Resistor. It used to control the current. Connecting wires and power supply. When a person comes near the IR sensor detects the movement. The sensor sends the signal to the Arduino or smart controller. The controller switches on the light automatically. When the person moves away, the sensor stops detecting. The controller.
Where you are giving? Okay, sensor is over here.
Yes.
Okay.
Whenever the controller switches off the light automatically. The automatic light system is used for school, offices, corridors, and washrooms. It helps to save electricity and make our life easy. Thank you.
Well,
Good morning. I am Vijay. I am Charit. Today our team will be presenting fire alert system. Components required for this project are smart controller. It is also known as Arduino Uno and controls all the systems. Next is thermistor. It is a temperature sensor that senses the temperature around us. Next is buzzer. It alerts when fire is caught on. And last is transistor. It is a tiny electronic device that controls the flow of current. The thermistor senses all the surrounding temperature. When there is no fire, the temperature is normal. So the Arduino Uno keeps the buzzer off. When fire or high heat is present, the resistance of the thermistor changes due to the increased heat. This change is detected by the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno sends the signal to the transistor. The transistor sends the signal to the buzzer. The resistor controls the current so the other parts do not get overheat. The buzzer produces an alert about the fire. This sound is like a high frequency alert sound. Thank you. This is the demonstration.
Yeah.
The pets automatically when they comes near the bowl. We used Arduino board, IR sensor and servo motor in this project. I am looking the components required to do this project. Smart controller used to control all the components in the system. IR sensor to detect the presence of a pet. Servo motor used for rotation, connecting wires and power supply. I am Milika. I'll tell how it works. When the pet comes near the feeder, IR sensor detects it. Arduino sends the signal to the servo motor. The servo motor rotates and opens the food container. After giving the food, it closes automatically. When the pet owner will be busy, they can use this project.
My name is Malika. The project saves the time and makes pet care easy and smart and
Because the same sound. This transistor.
So it is out.
Explain your project. Say louder.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vanessa. Today I am telling about the project. This is this is to the sun, it is called daytime. And the other side is called nighttime. Great. So now I'm going to tell you about internal parts. The parts that are inside our body within the skin are called internal parts of our body. We cannot see them. The brain, lungs, kidneys are important internal parts of our body. Now I'm explaining about heart. The heart is located inside our chest, a little to the left from the center. It pumps blood to all the parts of our body continuously without stopping. The size of the heart is one small fist. It is also known as pump of the
Who made this one?
Thank you everyone. My name is Kodavali. I'm studying in Narayan. School Biala Adu. Today we're going to learn about respiratory system. We need energy to work. Where does it come from? We need to be sleeping. We have to work and nasal cavity, oral cavity, flatness, trachea, left lung, next having parts.